Hey y'all, I just wanted to make a quick video for you. I've received like 2 or 3 emails where people said, I've got my annotated bibliography grade and I have no clue why I got the grade I got. I do want you to know that I am making comments on them, so I just want to make sure that you guys know how to find them. So I'm going to show you. I created a student account, and so now I want to show you what my comments would look like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my grades, and that's exactly what you would do. And you'll see a screen that looks like this, and notice I only have one grade here. And so what you'll do is you'll click on it, and if you just leave it here, all you're going to see is the number grade. But if you actually go in and click on it, you should see something that looks like this. Okay, so then, if I highlighted something, usually there's a comment, and it'll look like this little box right here. So then also, I have these little bubbles that I make comments with. Those are the only 2 ways that I'll do it, though. I'll do it with bubbles or highlighters. So if you don't know why you got the grade you do, go back and look and see if you can find a bubble or a highlighted passage somewhere. Now, if you read the bubbles in the comments and you don't know why you got the grade you got, you're more than welcome to contact me. But I just wanted to make sure that you were actually seeing those comments. So I think that's all. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.